This instructional video demonstrates how to connect the LithoVue Empower Retrieval Deployment Device to Boston Scientific's LithoVue Single-Use Digital Flexible Ureteroscope and nitinol retrieval baskets. The first step is to connect the LithoVue Empower device to a nitinol basket. To secure the retrieval device onto LithoVue Empower, the basket must be in the fully opened position by sliding the handle back completely. Please know that your Boston Scientific basket handle will look different depending on the specific nitinol retrieval device you are using. In this demonstration, we are using the Dakota retrieval device. Next, pick up the LithoVue Empower device and hold down the trigger. Snap your Boston Scientific retrieval device into the Empower device by matching the blue ridge on the handle to the blue indentation on the LithoVue Empower device. The handle will snap into place when secured correctly. To connect the LithoVue Empower device to the LithoVue Ureteroscope, you must first align the pin with the DU markers on the ureteroscope. This side must be attached first for the device to function properly. When aligned correctly, pressing down will snap the device into place. Then, feed the basket through your scope adapter. Ensure the adapter is completely open before feeding your device through, or use an introducer. Please note that if you are using an adapter other than a 2E Borst style adapter, you must use an introducer to insert the basket into the working channel of the scope. When assembled, the LithoVue Empower device will allow for simultaneous scope deflection and basket actuation, all with a single hand.